Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. On today's episode, we're going to talk about something exciting. So how many of you have interest in photography? How many of you would like to pursue a career, but you do not know how to go about it? Well, today we have representatives from Applause Consultancy who are going to tell us about a 3-day vibrant Lenscape Photography Festival. Make sure to stay tuned and get all the details.
Hi, my name is Caleb. I'm from Applause Consulting.
Yep, my name is Joanna and I'm also with the Applause Consulting team. We are located at East Legon.
Lenscape Photography Festival is happening from the 4th to the 6th of December. Photography has been an intrinsic part of our culture. When you go to events, people are taking pictures. When you have things that you need people to take pictures of you for, it's more for archiving memories. So we thought, why not have an event where we celebrate photography as an art form? So that's why we decided to come up with Lenscape Photography Festival, and the theme is storytelling through lenses. So this time I call it more of a gathering to celebrate photography. So with this, you have creatives, you have creative innovators, you have scholars who have help with workshops, and mainly to celebrate the art form in different ways. Yeah, and it's happening from the 4th to the 6th of December. We have photo walks, we have exhibitions, we have challenges,
we have workshops, panel discussions, podcast sessions as well.
Yeah, so it's going to be a very insightful and very fun festival.
And it's not just for professionals and creatives. Anybody interested in photography who like to know how to capture moments, how to capture events, pictures. Anybody at all interested in photography can sign up for it.
Yeah, and then our partners are IPMC, Atelier,
Fika, Tea House,
Black Star Experience,
and some others as well.
Like I said earlier on, photography has been around for a long time and has been part of our culture, whether we like it or not. It's also an art form that is not notable or respected as we would want it to be. And now that we have phones, we have iPhones, we have Samsung, we have cameras, everybody is able now to take pictures. Everybody's allowed to be creative. So we decided that we have a festival where we put everybody together. It's more like a gathering. That's why I said earlier on, I term it more as a gathering where people come. So it's more of a creative exchange, and where people get to learn, because there'll be workshops. People get to learn, from industry experts as to how to take pictures, how to tell stories with your camera, and also to educate people that photography can be monetized. Photography, it's also a pathway. Encourage people that photography is a pathway for people that love photography, and you can make money out of photography. What are the things that you can do to make money out of photography? All those things will be spoken about during the festival.
It's a great opportunity for IPMC. It's a great opportunity for the students, because we have come to learn that IPMC is also into photography and all that. So we feel it's an opportunity for the students to get on board and to learn several ways. I'm sure they are learning a lot from their lecturers, but also it's going to be an add-on because they get to meet professionals, they get to meet other lecturers, other facilitators who also have diverse ideas that they can learn from.
Yeah.
You get to know how to capture moments, how to handle the camera in different ways that they may not have picked up from their lecture rooms. They also get to share experiences, get more ideas from other professionals, other photographers that are going to be part of this festival. So I think it's a good thing for the students to be on board. We are partnering with IPMC, and they are happy to give scholarships, about 800,000 scholarships to the students that are going to partake in this festival. So we have like 800,000 scholarships for all the students that are going to be part, and we are going to have challenges as well for the students. We call it the Lenscape and IPMC challenge, where a portal is going to be opened soon for students to capture pictures of architectural pictures of their school, interesting moments with their lecturers, candid moments, happy moments, sad moments, all trying to tell a story of their life in IPMC. So they upload 3 to 5 pictures on the portal when it's opened, and we are going to, it's like a challenge. It's like, how do you call it? A challenge. So we are going a challenge. So after that, we are going to reward. We'll select the best 5 out of it, and we have exciting awards for them, scholarships. We have IPMC has promised us laptops, printers for the selected winners. So I think it's a good opportunity for IPMC students.
And it's very, very exciting news. So it's very encouraging. It's very exciting too.
So the photo walk, I think it's my favorite part of the whole festival. The walk, getting to meet people, photographers, professionals, everyone. We are all supposed to gather at the entrance of La Palme, where we will walk. Not just walk, so everyone's supposed to come along with their cameras, their phones, comfortable shoes, and the creative eyes. So we capture pictures all the way through to Dot Atelier. That's where we are going to do the exhibition. So Dot Atelier is at South La. So we all converge at La Palme entrance. Then we take pictures, we walk, we engage with each other, we share ideas. Like a walk. So all down to Dot Atelier. So as you're going, you see anything interesting, you capture it here and there. Then we do the walk all through to Dot Atelier, and then we sit down, have some discussions, and then that's it with the photo walk. So the whole festival is scheduled for the 4th to the 6th of December, with some of the events happening at Dot Atelier, South La, and then we are also going to have the workshops for the students as well here in the IPMC building. This circle or Adabraka? Circle. Okay. So from 4th to the 6th, the 4th is going to be the opening ceremony. Then we are going to do some professional workshops at Dot Atelier. We are going to hold some exhibitions there as well. We are going to have the workshops also for the students here
on campus.
Then we'll plan it. The exhibitions will also be held at Dot Atelier as well. And then the closing ceremony is on the 6th.
So the workshop is in 2 days. So whilst we have a masterclass happening at Dot Atelier, we are also having one simultaneously on campus for IPMC students, right? And we are having it for 2 days. So the first day we are talking about storytelling. The second day is a workshop as to how to use the camera and the equipment as well. The first place I would want everyone to go to is the Lenscape website, so lenscape.com. And when you go there, you have the contact details that you would want to, and all for IPMC students. And the other one is a within challenge. So we want students or the public to take pictures, and then have to combine pictures and graphic design, and then we select the best out of those, and then we incorporate that design into within t-shirts. So that comes in 2 folds, and then we also have another portal for guests as well. So when you go to the Lenscape website,
and that's www.lenscapefest.com.
There'll be workshops to show you how to use what you have to come up with the output, because mainly someone can have a camera and take a picture, someone can have an iPhone and take a picture, but the output is the most important thing. We've had brilliant stories in Ghana where people have taken pictures with iPhones, and then they are highlighted on Apple's, website for using, an iPhone to take spectacular pictures. Some people have even become like iPhone artists. That has even become a thing now. So I always say start with what you have and then gradually grow into what you want to become. Yeah.
And I would say not just iPhone. So I mean any good camera phone.
Yeah.
I think it's all about how you're able to hold it, the angle at which you take it and all. Because I mean in recent times we've had productions and I see someone with
Samsung,
or let me use iPhone like XR, and the person's picture, the way the person has taken it, I just couldn't believe that it was taken with an XR.
Yeah.
You look at it and you feel it's the 16, the pros and blah blah. So I mean, like he's saying, you start with what you have. It's all about learning how to hold it, the angle at which you take it, the kind of lighting that you need, and you get good pictures.
Yeah.
So you start from A, then you go to B, and you go to C, and then by the time you realize you have all the gadgets that you need to do what you want to do.
Yeah, and it's a growing space too. So it's a growing space, especially with the iPhone photography. It's a growing space. So I would say that if you have the passion for photography, I would say that you should go for it. Reason being that there've been so many examples of people who have taken photography as their pathway and are they're doing good for themselves. There's so many examples. I wouldn't want to mention their names here because they've not given permission for us to do so, but there's so many examples online and even in Ghana that gives you an idea that when you take photography as a pathway, you'll make a lot of money there. And also there are so many different pathways. Even though photography is an art form, there are so many different segments of that art form. There are people who take pictures or create stories with pictures and then exhibit them. So they are mainly like artists. They don't take events, they just take pictures to exhibit them in galleries, right? And there are people who take for events as well. There are people who take for models, for fashion houses as well. So they also know what pathway you would want to take. But I would say that if you have the passion for it, you should go for it because it's a great pathway.
And now I think photography it's we are appreciating it more now, like in this generation. Gone in the past years, I mean, with our grandmothers, they really didn't see the need for that. But now everything is pictures. Everything. If you want to create memories, it's pictures. From pregnancy, we are doing pregnancy shoots. We are even now at delivery, even in the labor ward, people are doing shoots and they are taking pictures, to birthday pictures. Now we are appreciating art, we are appreciating creation, like pictures everywhere. So I mean, now it's if you really want to make it a profession and monetize it, I think it's a good opportunity for you to hook onto, because everything is just pictures, memories, everything is pictures now. To encourage everybody to get registered for the challenge, for the photo walk. In fact, be part of everything.
Everything is free.
Yes, you have to learn. Trying to connect with others and all.